galit? Ba't ka galit? Hindi mo ba kayang mag-rap nang hindi humihiya?
Howdy guys, Gyanel here from Pat's College of Aeronautics. Now, today we will talk about application software. First of all, what is an application software? Let me think. Without application, our computers would be boring. We cannot do anything about it because, it's boring without any applications on it. Then, I'll give you the definition of application software. Application software is a computer program intended to perform a group of coordinated functions, tasks, or activities for the benefit of the user of the computer. I'm gonna give you some classifications of application software. First, we have music application software. Music application software is intended for us to have our music and to play or download in it. Some of the examples I have is Spotify, iTunes, Spinner, LimeWire, kind of old.
Now guys, here is our first example under music application software. This software is called iTunes. iTunes allows us to play music synced from our phones or even from our desktop memory. This application can play thousands of music. Depends on the memory capacity of the phone or the laptop. Next is the most famous, or I can say one of the famous music application in the Philippines named Spotify. Look guys, I got premium. This application allows us to search or play even the latest music or even the oldest music in the country or in the world. There we could search like Pompey. There. Now guys, those were the examples of music software.
Then next is a video application software where we can play videos, watch movies, watch series. There are also video applications that allows us to edit videos like Power Director, iMovie, Magic, Adobe Premiere. But some of the video players are GOM Player, VLC Player, Windows Media Player.
And now guys, here is an example of video editing software. This software is called Power Director, CyberLink Power Director 12. And this software allows us to edit our videos and some clips. We can put them together, put some effects, put some background music, add some text, and so many other. Another kind of video software is the video player software. Here we have a GOM player. It allows us to watch movies, play music videos. And guys, those are the video software examples. Thank you.
Next is we have entertainment software, where it allows us to be entertained, like to play games, interaction, play puzzles, watch some graphics, moving, things. An example is playing Mario Brothers, one of the famous video games in the world, and Pokemon. Then some of the desktop games like NBA, Counter-Strike. We have also some installed already in our desktop.
Now guys, let's proceed to our next top, entertainment software. Now here we have Zuma Deluxe, one of the famous games before played in the desktop or maybe nowadays in the laptop. This game is a software installed in my laptop when I bought it, and let's try this game. Now guys, I'm playing this game already. It's so boring, but yeah, it's cool. It's like Candy Crush, but it's old. Okay, let's stop doing this. Next, one of my examples also is Cut the Rope. This could be played in our cell phone, but it is installed in my laptop. This is one of the example of entertainment software. That's all for entertainment software. Thank you.
The next is educational software, where it allows us to be educated. It allows us to get infos from there and from the computer itself or from the software itself. We have, for example, Encarta, kind of old again, Wikipedia. They have Wikipedia software where we can search meanings like words. Also, Merriam-Webster dictionary. Also, we have Edmodo, where we can interact with our teacher. Then physics classroom, it's all about physics, pure physics.
Okay, next on our list, guys, of application software is educational software. But unfortunately, I don't have any software installed in my laptop. So I'll just give you an example from the online. This is an Encyclopedia Britannica, or maybe if previous years it is known as Encarta Encyclopedia. They have the software installed by Microsoft in our desktop where we can search infos about anything like places, things, animals. Let's type for example computer. There, results pop out. Then there you go. They are giving you different results. And next, I'll give you another example like this. This is called Physics Classroom. They have also this software, but unfortunately again, I don't have one. Next, we can study here physics and other science stuff. There, welcome to physics. There you can study dimensional kinematics, Newton's law of motion, vectors, momentum, collision, and work energy. That's all, guys, for today. Keep educated. Thank you.
The next is Office Suites. Office Suites is more on like using them for us for our office intended works or tasks like spreadsheet, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. It allows us to create documents, present documents, or even solve for value.
We have an example here like Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word allows us to type documents, and they have so many other options like insert, design, page layout, and so many other. The next will be the Microsoft Excel, where most of the people use in solving grades and summing up values, because you can just put formula and you could just automatically get the sum or the product or even the quotient. The next on our list of the office suites is the Microsoft presentation, where it can allow us to have our presentation. This program is used in some businesses because it allows them to present various information, and you can apply design, animation, and transitions and so on. Those guys were examples of Microsoft Office suites under application software.
The last but not the least classification is the graphic application software, where it allows us to edit image and even apply effects on it. Some of the examples are CorelDRAW and Photoshop. And maybe you can remember about Paint before, which is installed in our Windows desktop. That's all, guys.
Now guys, this is an example of graphic application, and this is file, and this is the working space of the Photoshop application itself. There are also other options like edit image, and in edit we can edit images like its saturation, brightness, and so other. And this is image where we can adjust the size of the image, and there are also some other options. And the next is this is the layer where we can work with our layers, and this is history where we can see the commands we did before. And also these are the tools being used in the Photoshop used in editing our image. And thank you for listening.
Don't forget to follow our channel in YouTube, PC for Dummies. Thank you, guys.